Hi, in this video, we will talk about Gradle versus Maven, the differences between Gradle and Maven. So in our previous videos, we have seen that what is Gradle introduction and Gradle features. So in this video, we will talk about differences between Gradle and Maven. So here is the table. So it will tell you that what is the difference between Gradle and Maven. So here, when you see, so Gradle, right? Gradle scripts are much shorter and cleaner, right? And coming to this Maven, right? So coming to the Maven scripts are slightly longer. These are slightly longer. It uses domain-specific language to write the build scripts, but Maven uses XML to write the build scripts. So coming to the Gradle, it is based on the task through which the work is carried out. So it means it based on the tasks. But coming to the Maven, so Maven is based on goal, right? Here task, here goal, through which the work is carried out. It supports incremental compilations. Okay, that is one of the advantages. Because of that, Gradle is fast. So, but it will not support incremental compilations. If there is any change, Maven will compile your entire source code again. But coming to the Gradle will look into the only changes, only that part it will compile. So because of that, Gradle is fast. It is highly customizable. But Maven it has a limited number of parameters. So customization is a bit complicated, right? Why it is highly customizable? Here you will use Groovy or Kotlin programming languages, right? Sorry. So because of that, you can customize. Here you have XML that is not that customizable, right? So performance is high, performance is low. Why it is high, it is low? So because of incremental compilations, it is high. And because of this is not support incremental compilations. Because of that, it is low. Okay. So these are all the differences between Gradle and Maven. So now, apart from this, you see that this is build.gradle file. It looks something like this. So this is pom.xml file in the Maven, right? So this is what? This is in the Gradle. In the Gradle, this is build.gradle. Okay, but here this is Maven. In the Maven, this is pom.xml file. Right. So because this is written in Groovy, but this is written in what? XML. Right. So the same purpose, you see that here we have 26 lines, here we have 16 lines. The dependencies are 3 dependencies. Right. Here these dependencies are 3 dependencies, 3 simple lines. But here you see dependencies from here to here. So this is one dependency, this is another, this is the third dependency. Right. One dependency is at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. But here only 1 line. Right. And if you want to use testng here, right? So simply you need to mention testng, but this kind of thing is not needed here. But even though it looks very longer, and this is looks smaller and concise, right? Very clean code. You'll understand this code. Here it is a bit difficult to understand this code. So here it is Apache Commons language 3 build time. So I have taken this one some time back. So you can see here. Otherwise, you can go to the location of Maven versus Gradle in the official website of Gradle. You see that here, if you come down, this is Gradle 5.4, Maven 3.6. Yeah, this is the same one. So if you look into here, clean build with tests. So first time you are building, so it has taken duration in seconds 14.79. This is Gradle, and this color is Maven. So it took 26.185 seconds for the first time. Okay. So the second time there are something clean build cache enabled with tests, right? So there is any change or something like that. So it took 0.685 seconds second time, but again it took 25.852. So it's very similar to the same, a very slight difference. But here you see huge difference. 14 here, 14.79, but even here 0.79 also not there here, 685, right? Compile simple change, single change. For a single change also it took only 0.5 seconds, but it took 4 seconds. So that much difference is there in the performance. Okay. So apart from that, if you go to the official website, you see performance here, incrementally, build cache, Gradle demo, something. It is flexibility. All these things you can consider when you compare Gradle with Maven. You see there's a simple video here. If you play, you will understand what is the time it will take. You see Gradle build scan, MVN clean install. So if you click on this play, just observe that. So how much time it will take, both the scripts for the same task, same purpose. You just observe that left side is Gradle, right side is Maven. So both started doing this. So once it completes, you'll understand when it finished, how much time it took. You see that Gradle completed, it came out, but still Maven is executing. So Maven is doing its job. So it is taking longer than your Gradle. So we'll see when it will complete. Yeah, now it's done. Okay, but anyhow, it took more time than Gradle. So that is the performance of Gradle. Okay. So these are all the differences between your Gradle and Maven. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.